Hey friends, welcome to BTech Bible. You are watching the Register tutorial series. So this is lesson 3 and in this lesson I'll discuss the different types of resistors. So in a broader way, if we classify a resistor, it will be of two types. One is fixed value where the value of resistance is fixed. Another is variable value where the value is variable. And in fixed value we can have many types of resistors and these are all available in the market. The first one is carbon composition resistor. This resistor is made of carbon granules, but this was the earlier version of resistor. So nowadays there are very few uses of carbon composition resistor because there is another upgrade, that is carbon film resistor. Whenever you imagine a resistor, that is actually a carbon film resistor. This is used by many companies, many colleges, many institutes, even hobbyists who are setting up their own electronics lab in their homes. They use this carbon film resistor. But in industry, there are applications where the value of resistance should be accurate, like in case of RF. In those cases, the industries prefer metal film resistors. These are of high accuracy and are far better than carbon film resistor. Whenever you are doing a project where you need a resistor which can withstand a high amount of current, there you can use this wear wound resistor. So when power is a concern and the wattage rating is a concern, you need to use wear wound resistor. But in many applications you need a small circuit board, smaller area. There you can use surface mount resistor, as this is the smallest resistor, and you may have seen the surface mounted resistors in high quality motherboards. See, these are the surface mounted resistors. So whenever the area is a concern and the size of resistor is a concern, you can go for surface mount resistor. So how they look like? So this is an image from your left hand. The first one is carbon composition resistor. The second one, this is important, carbon film resistor. You may have seen all these. And the third one is metal film resistor, the blue color one. And this 0805 written, these are the small surface mount resistors. And I'll tell you the exact dimensions in another lesson. The fifth one is wear wound resistor. This is the green color wear wound resistor. In variable value resistors, we can change the resistance value. Like here we have potentiometer. So in potentiometer we can change the resistance. In rheostat also we can change the resistance. But there is a similar thing between potentiometer and rheostat. What is that? Both rheostat and potentiometer need a manual intervention where we can change the resistance manually. But there are these special type variable value resistances like LDR, thermistor and varistors. They don't need a manual intervention. They depend on another parameter. Like in case of light dependent resistor, it depends on the light source. Suppose LDR is exposed to a light source, it may have a different resistance value. When it is exposed in dark, it may have another resistance value. Similarly, thermistors depend on the temperature and varistors depend on the applied voltage. So when applied voltage source is increasing, the varistor will have a different resistance. When the applied voltage is decreasing, the varistor will have a different rating. So how they look like? So the first one, the blue color one, is the potentiometer, and this one is very commonly seen in engineering colleges. This is rheostat, and then this is varistor, used in many protection related circuits. So if you have seen the inverter circuit or some high quality power related circuits, you will find one varistor there, one or maybe more. Thermistors look like this, and the last one is LDR. This is how the LDR looks. I think you have understood all the types, and if you like this video, then press like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to BTech Bible because more tutorials are coming soon. Also press the bell notification icon So when I'll upload the videos, you'll get notified. Thanks for watching.